आई एम अ टैरो रीडर, हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, मनी, करियर। हफ्ता आपका कैसा रहने वाला है? Welcome to Tarot Talks with Rashi Roop Lakshmi. I'm a tarot reader, astrologer, numerologist. I am also a Vastu expert, and also I am a manifestor. I help you manifest your quest in life. I'm author of the book Manifest Your Quest, The Power of You. So, ये हफ्ता आपका कैसा जाने वाला है? Let's get started. देखते हैं आपका ये हफ्ता हाउ विल इट बी लाइक। तो शुरू करते हैं एरीज से, लेकिन बिफोर दैट लेट मी टेल यू, ये रीडिंग्स जो मैं बता रही हूँ, दिस इज इन अकॉर्डेंस विथ इंग्लिश कैलेंडर। आपके बर्थडे के हिसाब से आप जिस भी राशि में फॉल करते हैं, यानी कि अगर आप you are an April born, if you are a 10th April born, then you fall in Aries. तो आप मेष राशि के हैं according to the English calendar या sun sign के हिसाब से। आप तो मैं इस राशि के हिसाब से आपको बताने वाली हूँ, that is sun sign. Okay? So many people have this confusion, that's why I'm making it clear here. So Aries मतलब मेष राशि से शुरू करते हैं। मेष राशि वाले लोगों के लिए पिछला हफ्ता काफी अच्छा गया था और ये हफ्ता थोड़ा सा ट्राइंग हो सकता है। There are some disappointments also for you, but what I can see in the cards, you have great plans you have made for yourself, and yes, you are going to execute all that. It is a beautiful week, but try to come out of that politics that you might face कि आप अकेला, आप फील करोगे that you have been left out और आप एक अकेले पड़ गए हो। तो मैं आपको ये बोलूंगी कि be very strong mentally, and अगर इस तरह का situation आता है, then you should know the way out for it. Since I am warning you beforehand, so your HRCM, your health, relationship, your career and money, your health is going to be beautiful. Your relationship, थोड़ा सा उसमें issues आ रहे हैं आपके relationship में. Your career is fine, but as I said, थोड़ा सा आपको politics से बचना है। सब कुछ अच्छा होते हुए भी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ हाथ नहीं आ रहा है। Let's see, your money is very beautiful, abundant. You feel that कि थोड़ा पैसे आने में टाइम लग रहा है। people might feel, एरीज वाले लोगों को ऐसा लग सकता है कि थोड़ा पैसा आने में टाइम लग रहा है, लेकिन अच्छे पैसे तो आने वाले हैं। It's taking its own sweet time, but that's absolutely all right. Second राशि is वृषभ राशि, यानी टॉरस राशि। So टॉरस राशि वाले लोग थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि you have come to know about certain things which you were not aware of. It might be good, it might be bad, लेकिन आपको वो जो secrets revealed हुए हैं या फिर something that you have come to know about, you are not very happy about it. But yes, you are constant in your effort, but perhaps you are heartbroken on that account कि आपको पहले पता नहीं चला. So whatever it is, let's take things in the right manner forward. क्योंकि मुझे जो दिख रहा है, it is a beautiful time for you to manifest whatever you wish to. So let's put your energy in the right direction, your good energy, because this is a beautiful time and you might travel to some place near water. आप कहीं जा सकते हैं near place of water where there is some business for you, or it's a beautiful time for you to actually explore for yourself, some business to attend, something maybe some pleasure as well, some fun. ये टाइम बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए, so better use it for the positive purpose. इसमें कुछ नेगेटिव भी दिख रहा है आपका इमोशंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, but Taurus, all the Taurians, I warn you, try not to go in that negative zone, because आप अगर नेगेटिव जोन में जाओगे तो आप मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. This is my advice to you. Try to be in the manifesting zone, that is in the happy zone. Your health anyways is not very great, in the sense you are in a lot of stress. आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो, and anxiety भी हो सकता है. Your relationship also, you are on a very on a note where you are not very, there is some kind of a, maybe not a fight as such आप लोग के बीच में, लेकिन फिर भी maybe you are not on great terms where you are able to put your heart out. इसलिए मैं बोलूंगी कि try chant this remedy called Niruba Niruba for 51 times in one go, and this will help you restore your relationship. Your career is beautiful. It's time for you for abundance, and you are doing well for yourself. Your money part is also great. So Niruba Niruba for your relationship, and where your health is concerned, Elohim glorious. You can chant this for your health to stay calmer and to stay in a very good zone. So next is Gemini राशि यानी कि मिथुन राशि. So मिथुन राशि वाले लोगों के लिए पिछला हफ्ता काफी enjoyable रहा है with your spouses, with your family. You might be on a vacation and you had a good time, but there are certain conflicts that are happening around you. लेकिन that doesn't mean that you're not earning good money. There are some good money coming in for you, and ये हफ्ता भी आपके लिए some nostalgia la raha hai. You might be visiting your hometown or someone from your old memories. Your old people might be joining you in maybe they will come to meet you. Apart from that, there is something very good happening at your end. Kuch naya aa raha hai, there seem to be something new, which is some opportunity which is coming your way, and again there is some manifestation happening. So think you are already in a beautiful zone. Seems like whatever you manifest, it's going to be there. And HRCM, where health, relationship, career and money is concerned, your health is on a perfect 10. Your relationship, आपका health बिल्कुल सही है. Your relationship, आप अपने relationship में थोड़ा सा इधर उधर, like you're pondering. अगर आपका नया relationship है, then you are not very sure about it. Where your career is concerned, like you are not very happy there, and थोड़ा सा आप negative zone में हो where your career is concerned, and where your money is concerned, again there you feel that कि money ठीक से आ नहीं रहा है, which is putting you in a negative zone. लेकिन this week seems to be good for you, so be in an up zone to manifest what you want in your life. Next is Cancerians, यानी कि कर्क राशि वाले लोग. So what I can see is there is some kind of a heartbreak. कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जो कि you are not happy about it. Though money seems to be coming in, सब चीज हो रहा है, आपका प्लान जिस तरह से था, आपको लग रहा है कि वो सब जिस तरह से चलना चाहिए था वैसा नहीं चल रहा है. It is फिर भी कुछ तो बाकी है. This is what you're feeling. कुछ तो हाथ में बाकी है. But this week seems to be fine for you somehow, and बहुत कुछ आप कर सकते हैं. Like there seems to be money coming from abroad, and like maybe opportunity for you. अगर आप there are people who want to go abroad and आपका offsite या whatever you call it, आप अगर बाहर जाना चाह रहे हैं तो ये बहुत अच्छा opportunity आपके लिए बाहर जाने का. And apart from that, there seem to be a lot of things that you might be able to achieve. This is a good time for you to achieve all that you have wanted. लेकिन आपको थोड़ा सा आंख को खोल कर देखना पड़ेगा. You need to open your eyes and see the real situation. क्या है real situation अभी? You have to watch it and see it from a new perspective altogether. और जहाँ पे आपका HRCM का सवाल है, आपका health is going to be beautiful. Your relationship is going to be absolutely manifesting. जहाँ पे आपका career का सवाल है, थोड़ा सा खिंचातानी चल रहा है, conflicts मुझे दिख रहे हैं, and where your money is concerned, you're not happy currently with the state of your money affairs. So where your career is concerned, I would like to give you a mantra which you might feel कि आपको ये फर्क पड़ रहा है. जहाँ पे ये करियर का सवाल है, ये मंत्र है Luriat, 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 Luriat. This is an Italian folk shire, and you can chant it for 51 go. और ये promotion के लिए भी help करता है Luriat. You need to chant it 3 to 4 times a day to see a difference in your life. And there is another chant called Tabata Makvarye, which helps you both in your career as well as your money. I want to see Tabata Makvarye, Tabata Makvarye. If you are going to chant it 51 times. अगर कोई भी ये करता है, then let me know how did you feel the difference after you did these chants for 51 times in one go. लेकिन कभी भी एक बार करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You have to do it 3 to 4 times a day to actually see the difference. Whatever remedies I give, इसको करने के लिए थोड़ा करना पड़ता है. You need to do it more often to see the difference in your career, in your health, in your relationship, whatever I talk about. So here, Tabata Makvarye and Luriat needs to be chanted as much as possible. Next comes Singh Rashi, yani Leos. Well, to start with, let me tell you, this week might not be very favorable for you. आपके लिए ये वीक बहुत अच्छा नहीं रह सकता है. And you might face things which are sudden, and there might be sudden turn of events which might be very sudden. पैसे के बारे में मैं उतनी ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. It seems to be there, but there are certain things which might happen in your life which is very sudden. All of a sudden it might happen. Though I can see there is abundance, there is prosperity, and you might get opportunity, but there are turn of events which might be sudden in your life and which you might not like it that way. आपको वो जिस तरह से होगा, it might be negative in nature as well. Where your health is concerned, आप maybe इस turn of event के वजह से it might take you on a negative zone. You need to keep your health up. आपको हो सकता है anxiety issues भी हो सकता है. Where your relationship is concerned, there seem to be relationship बहुत great नहीं है अभी seen. And where your career is concerned, you feel that you are not paid the way you should be paid, and where your money is concerned, you feel that you are trapped, and आपने जिस तरह से अपना investment किया या फिर जिस तरह से उसको allot किया है, it has actually put you in a fix. So for you again, I would ask you to chant for your money Convalexa, and there is another one, Taxal Melisma. ये सब जो मैं chants देती हूँ, if you do it, let me know on that. And it really works wonders. Convalexa and Taxal Melisma needs to be chanted 51 times in one go. These are Italian folk shires. Some of them are also pagan chants that I give. These are absolutely beautiful with no side effects. And where your health is concerned, why don't you do Om Hong Jung Sa, where it might help you calm down also, and where your other side of the health also, it takes care. So these are the things you need to take care. Because of the sudden event which might not be very favorable for you, I'm giving you this Om Hong Jung Sa, which is basically a बीज मंत्र. ये बीज मंत्र है महामृत्युंजय मंत्र का, जो कि लाइफ सेवर मंत्र कहा जाता है, जो कि कहा जाता है कि कोई भी फेटल सीन में ये बहुत मदद करता है. It is a very strong mantra of Lord Shiva. So let's go to the next Rashi. Next Rashi is Virgo Rashi. Virgo Rashi यानी कन्या राशि. Normally this falls in, ऐसे लोग normally September born होते हैं, August end and September, early September born, mid September born. So जो दिख रहा है मुझे कार्ड, seems like a beautiful week for you, and you already have, आपने already feel किया है कि आपने there is some kind of ये अच्छा week रहा है. Last week has been good for you, and the coming week, आगे का week भी मुझे अच्छा दिख रहा है. Lots of accomplishments, lots of opportunities. World card, this is the wheel of life का card आपके पास आया है. This gives you an opportunity to travel abroad, to do all that you have thought about, and making all your dreams come true. But in between, you are feeling quite low, and your health is not keeping up with you, not the way it should keep up with the kind of opportunities. जिस तरह के opportunities आपके पास आ रहे हैं, उस हिसाब से आपका health नहीं है. So I would recommend that you need to take care of your health क्योंकि बहुत सारा opportunities है आपके पास. And there seem to be ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि जो शादी नहीं किए हैं, there is an opportunity for you to get married as well, where your where your HRCM is concerned, your health, relationship, your career, and your money, your health is going to be beautiful. Your relationship is going to be fantastic. This is an absolutely beautiful week for you to honeymoon as well. This is a beautiful week again for your career and your money. You seem to be going on a next level. बहुत लोगों को promotion भी मिल सकता है. This is a good week for you to go on a next level. हो सकता है कि आप travel करें. There seem to be travel in the cards as well. बहुत ही अच्छा week है. बहुत सारी dreams. ये cards बहुत सारे dreams को भी लाता है. It brings it into reality, उसका साक्षात्कार और manifestation of dreams भी कराता है. So let's go to the next राशि. Next राशि is तुला राशि, यानी कि Libra. For Librans, मेरा ये कहना है, this week is a beautiful week for you, लेकिन there is some kind of a heartbreak that I can see. जो भी आपको मिल रहा है, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मिला तो है, लेकिन there is something attached to it which brings you some kind of a heartbreak. अगर आपको कुछ मिल रहा है, it comes with a heartbreak. So whatever has been given to you or endowed to you, you have been like gifted or endowed with. So let me tell you, this week is going to be good for you. It's a week of abundance. Maybe वो abundance बाद में आपको दिखे, लेकिन again there is travel in the card, there is opportunity in the card, there seem to be money as well, and a lot of new things that you can achieve during this time. It's a beautiful, abundant week for you altogether. And where your health and HRCM is concerned, your health is beautiful. Your career, your relationship is beautiful. Again, you're very happy, very cheerful, and in a very happy sunshine mood, you and your spouse, or maybe the partner you are with. Your career is absolutely beautiful this time, and you will be able to secure all the numbers that you are supposed to. लेकिन जहाँ पे आपका मनी का सवाल है, वो थोड़ा सा आप नेगेटिव जोन में हो. तो let's chant Convalexa, Tabata Makwarie. मैंने काफी कुछ बताया है. Let's do it, and you see the difference. Do it and let me know as well. So let's go to the next Rashi. The next Rashi is Scorpio Rashi, यानी कि वृश्चिक राशि. तो ये देख रही हूँ मैं कार्ड, तो there is a lot happening here. Scorpions, वृश्चिक राशि वाले लोग, अच्छा भी हो रहा है. There is a lot of things happening. There seem to be a lot of opportunities coming in, but yet there's a lot of conflict. There's a lot happening with you all. Opportunities bhi hai, money bhi hai. You're very happy this week, yet you're able to secure your sales as well, your numbers as well, yet there seem to be your health is not the way you would want it to be. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. This week is like full of things happening, this and that, positive, negative, all crammed in this week. So you will see lots happening, many good things happening, many negative things as well. But that is part and parcel of life. But I see good things are much more in number as compared to the negatives that I can see. Negatives में आपका थोड़ा सा आपकी तबियत थोड़ी नासाज रह सकती है. But let's see what your HRCM says. Your health, relationship, your health needs to be taken care. Your relationship needs working on, that you keep working on it. Your career seems to be beautiful, and your money, उसके लिए आप जो हैं थोड़े से confused हो, where to invest it, where to keep it, किस तरह से हमें क्या करना चाहिए. That you need to, for that, I think you need to take support from people to understand where do you need to park your money, not only parking your money, how to make it big. This is where your main concern lies these days. So let's go to the next Rashi. Next Rashi is Dhanu Rashi, यानी कि Sagittarius. Sagittarius वाले लोगों के लिए कहना है कि आपका plans तो बहुत बड़ा है and you're doing it well, but yes, you feel that you have been left out in the cold. कोई आपको पूछ नहीं रहा है जिस तरह से पूछना चाहिए था. And maybe you're making plans, but you need to be very patient because things are not happening the way you want it to be. Or it has led you to a dilemma कि जो मैं कर रही हूँ, is it actually really good enough for you? Is it really ठीक ठाक है या नहीं? It has also taken you down in a negative emotional zone or maybe in a lower zone of yourself. Where your love life is concerned, you're doing pretty well, but where your emotions are concerned, you are lying pretty low. But do not worry, I have got a beautiful card. Maybe this is a jackpot for you because this gives you the manifestation of what you desire. And लेकिन फिर भी आपको हो सकता है opportunities भी आए, लेकिन you are not very sure you want to take it up or not. Because things are happening and things will happen quite fast for you. So you need to understand how to take it up and you should be prepared for what is right for you, what is that you need to take up, which you need to grab as an opportunity. Where your health is concerned, it is not all that great. Where your relationship is concerned, there are secrets that seems to be revealed. And where your career is concerned, you are absolutely irritated where that is happening and things are not all that great. Where your money again is concerned, things are moving in a negative zone. With that, I would again ask you to chant Tabata Makwarye. Chant. I have already given the chant, so why don't you go back and check out chants that I've given? It is going to work wonders for you as well. Apart from that, मुझे लगता है कि अगर किसी को money चाहिए, तो for money to come in, it's a beautiful thing if you can, chant Lakshmi ji ka mantra or Malakshmi ji ka stotra, Asht Lakshmi, or you can do that and it really brings you out of the zone that you might feel that you have landed yourself. So let's go to the next Rashi. हमारा अगला राशि है मकर, यानी कि Capricorns. So मैंने क्या आपको बताया है पहले कि how I admire these people. ये लोग जो होते हैं, they are self-made and they are workaholics. They work really hard और ये धीरे धीरे करके climb करते हैं. They are the ones holding the top positions everywhere, whether it is, अगर आप गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज के बारे में बात करें या कोई भी कहीं पे भी corporates में, these are the people who hold the top most positions and they are very hard working. So let's see कैसा रहेगा इनका. So seems like good opportunity is waiting for you, a lot of love, lekin there is something which is not very happy, you're not very happy about. There are कुछ ऐसे event हो सकते हैं जिसके वजह से आप एक negative zone में जा सकते हो. लेकिन where your money is concerned, you feel that this week is going to stabilize you quite a lot. जिन लोगों ने घर नहीं खरीदा है और खरीदने का सोच रहे हैं, they might freeze on it, and those people who might think of getting engaged might get engaged as well. और आपने जो plans बनाए थे, maybe बहुत कुछ नहीं fructify कर पाए, आप ऐसा सोच रहे होगे, लेकिन there are a lot of things that you have fructified and that really counts a lot. तो आपका health, HRCM का सवाल है, आपका health is not on a very good high. जहाँ पे relationship है, you will have a beautiful relationship And where your career is concerned, करियर थोड़ा सा आप उसको लेकर परेशान हैं, चिंतित हैं. And where your money is concerned, you're pretty happy about it and you're pretty well where your money is concerned. So this is what I have to say where your health is concerned. मैं आपको हेल्थ के लिए एक हेल्थ के लिए मैं आपको बता रही हूँ chant that is कुंजित पदम शरणम. कुंजित पदम शरणम. कुंजित पदम शरणम needs to be chanted 108 times. 108 बार आप इसको चैंट कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप अश्वीना 108 बार चैंट कर सकते हैं. और जहां पे आपका ऑफिस का सवाल है, आप धूम चैंट कर सकते हैं 108 बार. आपको बहुत ही हेल्प कर सकता है. So this is all I have for K-Breeze this week. कुंभ राशि वाले लोग is the next one, that is Aquarians. Aquarians के लिए मुझे ये कहना है, ये हफ्ता आपके लिए अच्छा रहना चाहिए. पिछला हफ्ता भी आपके लिए काफी अच्छा रहा है. This week again is a manifestation week for you. काफी अच्छा. and आप भी बहुत ड्रिवन हो, बहुत ही ज्यादा कुछ नया करना चाहते हो, बहुत कुछ नया हो रहा है, कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा खबर आने वाला है. You have a beautiful week, victory, promotion. Seems like all that you have been longing for this week is all about that. लेकिन you feel that कि money जो आपने सोचा था वैसा नहीं है जैसा मुझे मिलना चाहिए था. Like, let's see your HRCM. Your health is going to be good. Your relationship is not going to be great. It will be just okay. आप अपने relationship के लिए chant भी कर सकते हैं. निरूबा निरूबा, या आप राधे कृष्ण भी chant कर सकते हैं. Where your career is concerned, you're not happy. There are conflicts going on. आप fishes को थोड़ा खाना खिलाओ, थोड़ा दाना दो. Birds को भी दाना दे सकते हो. और आप pets, not pets, stray dogs and all को भी खिलाओगे तो भी आपको बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. Why don't you do that and see आपके जॉब में आपको अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिल सकता है. You might find जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इतना चल रहा है आपके ऑफिस में, doing this remedy might help you a lot. And where your money is concerned, you're not very happy with the money this week. So let's go to the next one. मीन राशि वाले लोग, there seem to be some conflict. आप अभी भी confused हो कि आपको किस direction में जाना है. There is so much happening, लेकिन फिर भी there is जो आप ये कर रहे हो आपको करने का मन नहीं है. लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज का तो ढेर है, बहुत कुछ आने वाला है आपके सामने. You will get a lot of opportunities, a lot of manifestation that I can see this week, but you don't seem to be satisfied with any of it. बहुत कुछ आने वाला है and you are driven as well. This week is going to be very beautiful for you. For manifestation मैं बोलूंगी, मेरा ये एक मानना है, आप अपने स्पिरिट्स को अप रखें. वैसे है आपका स्पिरिट्स अप, लेकिन अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को सही रखिए and see that अगर आपको जो चाहिए वो आपको मिल रहा है, just judge it on the scale of 1 to 10. What do you want? Because there are things that you might get and maybe you might reject them. Is it a good thing to reject them? Just think about it before rejecting it. Let's check out your HRCM. Your health is going to be fantastic. Your relationship is going to be good. And your career, you're not happy about your career somehow. You're not at all happy about it. You're thinking, pondering over it. Your money is absolutely beautiful. तो करियर के लिए मैंने अभी बताया कि why don't you give, आप थोड़ा गाय को चाहे तो आप चारा खिला सकते हो या आप गौशाला में दान करो. You see the difference a lot. You might feel करियर में difference हो सकता है. Try doing it and let me know on that. So that brings us to the end of our session. हम अभी एंड पे आ चुके हैं अपने सेशन के. मैं आपको कुछ देना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए मेरे नंबर पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं। मैं रिस्ट वॉच एनालिसिस भी करती हूँ। आप क्या काम करते हैं, आप ये मैसेज करो मुझे कि व्हाट डू यू डू, योर ऑक्यूपेशन एंड योर किस तरह का आप वॉच पहनते हैं। चाहे तो आप फोटो खींच के भी मेरे नंबर पे डाल सकते हो या आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो। सो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू, मैं आपको एनालिसिस फ्री में दे सकती हूँ ये आपको कि विच वॉच इज एक्चुअली गुड फॉर यू। नॉट ओनली दैट, आई वुड अप्रिशिएट कि अगर आप मुझे अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ भी साथ में लिख कर दे। आई कैन रियली हेल्प यू। दिस कैन रियली चेंज। जो व्यक्ति अब सही वॉच पहनते हैं अपने ऑक्यूपेशन और अपने नंबर के हिसाब से, तो उन लोगों ने बहुत डिफरेंस देखा है अपनी जिंदगी में। सो सी, इफ यू वांट टू see a difference in your life, you can share your अपने फोटो भेज सकते हैं, अपने wrist watch का डेट ऑफ बर्थ भेज सकते हैं along with the occupation that you are into. So with that, let's bring this session to an end. मैं राशि रूप लक्ष्मी signing off, a tarot reader, astrologer, numerologist, a vastu expert, a manifestation expert as well, and an author of the book Manifest Your Quest. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक। इन द मीन टाइम अगर आप मुझे चाहें तो यू कैन गेट इन टच विथ मी एट 9820732557। बाय। आई एम अ टैरो रीडर, हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, मनी, करियर। हफ्ता आपका कैसा रहने वाला है?